If you picked up your phone to take a photo or record a video of someone, where would you place the subject on the screen? Most people would answer in the center. Hi, I'm Paulo Simoes, and today I want to share with you a tip that will make your videos and photos look a lot more interesting. It's called the rule of thirds. Divide your screen into quadrants and place your subject or main objects along the lines and on the intersection points. Take a look at this video we produced for a realtor. We place the subjects on the vertical lines and then their eyes, which are the main point of focus, at the intersection points. Make sure there's something interesting on the opposite vertical line to balance the shot. Movies and TV dramas do this all the time. Follow the rule of thirds and see how your photos and videos will become a lot more interesting. And make sure to check the Smart Choice Realty video at the end. I'm Paulo Simoes, and I'll see you next time. Has anyone ever told you, don't shoot against the sun, it will ruin your shot and the camera? Hi, I'm Paulo Simoes, and my tip of the day is embrace the sun. Here's what we did on an outdoor shoot at a basil farm. For the interview, we used the natural sunlight to create the backlight and a light reflector to brighten the subject's face. Notice the sun flare on these beautiful shots of the family playing together and the basil plants. We used the sun to create a warm look and feel to the project. And here's my favorite shot of the day. The family with their old truck and the sunset as a backdrop. So put on some sunscreen and be creative. The sun can be your friend. For more tips and tricks, visit briosmedia.com and make sure to check the full-length vignette of American Heartland Acres at the very end. I'm Paulo Simoes. See you next time. Have you noticed on movies and especially TV commercials how some shots have very blurred, out of focus parts? So why the blur? Hi, I'm Paulo Simoes, and today I'll be showing you how to use depth of field to bring attention to a subject or an object. Here's a dental clinic project we did. On this scene, we see the dentist handing a freshly baked cookie to his young patient. We created a very shallow depth of field, meaning that only a narrow portion of the video was on focus, so that our attention is on the cookie and then on the boy as he walks into focus. We see the same effect during the dentist interview. The background is blurred to help us keep focus on the dentist and nothing else. For more tips and tricks, visit briosmedia.com and make sure to check the full-length vignette of Better Dental at the very end. I'm Paulo Simoes. See you next time. Hi, I'm Paulo Simoes, and today I want to introduce you to our little friend, our silky smooth jib arm. It's one of my favorite pieces of equipment. Do you know why? Because it makes our videos look absolutely fantastic. Check it out. Our jib arm is unique because it allows us to be very creative with the movements of the camera, starting with the very popular horizontal sliding movement that you see in films, TV dramas, and even interviews. We can also create vertical and even diagonal movements. Here's my favorite though, the horizontal curve that allows us to move around a subject while staying focused all the way. We use our jib arm in almost every project and we love it. The types of lenses that we use will also change the look of the shot, but that's a subject for another video. For more tips and tricks, visit briosmedia.com and see more of our jib arm in action at the very end of this video. I'm Paulo Simoes. See you next time. Have you noticed how films and TV shows have distinctive looks? Think of the bright orange look of 300 and the dark bluish underworld. Hi, I'm Paulo Simoes, and today I want to introduce you to color grading, the process of changing and enhancing image colors. Color grading is one of the last steps in post-production. What you may not know is that most professional video and film productions are shot flat, meaning that the images look washed out and have very little contrast, sharpness, and saturation. This gives us more room to manipulate the images and the colors. On this client video, we went for a very youthful and bright look that resembles an indie film. It matched perfectly with the colorful footwear and the client's brand. For more tips and tricks, visit briosmedia.com and make sure to check the Feel Good footwear vignette at the very end of this video. I'm Paulo Simoes. See you next time.